Nagbabalik po tayo dito sa loob ng Philoil Flying V Center na napakaingay po dahil napakaganda ng ating labanan between the Cool Smashers and the Perlas Spikers. At kayo po at na nanonood over SNA and over our online coverage ay sumasangayon, Coach Ronnie, dahil balita ko, number 2.
Salamat po.
Sa ating on Twitter, trending on Twitter. Don't forget, it's at ABS-CBN Sports on Twitter. Over 1 million followers. We have our Facebook page. Go and like and share. We're close to 1 million there. Premier Volleyball League, of course. And don't forget, yan din ang ating abangan pagdating sa online. PremierVolleyballLeague.com and sports.abs-cbn.com/livestream/BVL. Tell me about set number 3, Coach Ron.
Walang itulak kabigin, although maganda ang simula ng Cool Smashers. Matindi yung finishing kick ng Perlas Spikers. Jessica Rakrakin, Risa Mandapat ng ibabaw para sa Cool Smashers. Kat Bersola naman, talagang lumitaw na naman para sa Perlas Spikers. We were tied at 24 points and then the Cool Smashers winning the last 2 points. Jessica Rakrakin, Risa Mandapat, the biggest names para sa Cool Smashers to win 2 straight sets and now looking for the clincher against a hard-fighting and a team that is looking to survive, ang team ng Perlas Spikers.
Speaking of Perlas, hindi rin sila bumigay sa dulo. They were down 22-24 and made the extension, made that run, especially yung palo ni Meitajima to tie at the 24, pero talagang kumapit at nanaig etong Cool Smashers sa dulo. So, set number 4 with a 2-1 lead. Jen Ferrer starts us off and gets the first point for the Perlas Spikers.
So far, ang ating mga leading scorers, Rakrakin with 15, Vargas with 11, Pau Soriano with 10. 3 players in double figures para sa Cool Smashers. Kat Versola leads the way para sa team ng Perlas Spikers with 17, followed by De Jesus and Roses with 76 points respectively. Ganda simula rito ng Perlas Spikers sa ating pang-apat na set.
Remember, they were ahead 5-0 at the start of that second set.
Oh, yung sinasabi natin, dumula sa mga kamay nila yung second set na pagkatalo. Tandaan natin,
the biggest lead was 8.
8, 11-3, 16-10, second technical timeout. Tandaan po natin, both teams coming from behind in their last matches.
5 sets.
Down 2 straight sets. Itong dalawang teams na to bago nanalo. Yung isa kontra sa UP, yung isa naman kontra sa Water Defenders.
Again, Nunag has been a regular customer of that cross-court attacks of Nicole Tiamzon.
And that's because sa kanyang double effort, yung transition play nila from defense to offense, lumitaw. Scoring down the line, unang puntos para dito sa Cool Smashers sa ating pang-apat na set.
Dito rin pumapasok yung knowing your opponent and their tendencies, their hitting tendencies, like Nicole,
scouting reports.
Sa cross-court. Ayun nga, inaabangan na lang siya ni Nunag.
Hindi ako kasigurado kung gaano ka-advance yung analytics dito so far sa ating volleyball landscape. But eventually, lalawak yan, lalawig yan, at makakatulong pa lalo ng gusto sa kanilang preparasyon.
4, serving 1. Vargas. Bumalik sa kanya. Ferrer. Balik kay Nicole. Masyado malapit.
Overpass.
Balik tayo kay Janine Choi.
Boom at Ronnie, kasama ko ngayon ang very supportive parents ni Gia Morado na sina Mommy Hedy at Daddy Ariel. So Mommy Hedy, using 3 adjectives, paano po ba si Gia outside the volleyball court?
3 adjectives, mabait, malambing, matakaw.
Kaya naman po, Daddy Ariel, nabanggit niyo po na athlete rin po kayo at mahilig kayo sa sports. Bilang a father of an amazing athlete like Gia, ano po bang mga payo yung binibigay ninyo sa kanya?
Number 1 is she has to practice hard, and then during the games, kailangan at least 110% and then leave the rest to God.
There you have it, mga kapamilya, the very G-amazing athletes of Gia Morado. Back to you, Boom and Ronnie.
Thank you, Janine. I'm sure Gia will have a word with her mom after the game.
Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. 3 adjectives in Tagalog. Mabait. Check. Malambing.
Walang umaangat.
Check. Triple check.
Matakaw.
Matakaw.
Ariel and Hedy.
Foodie.
Baka naman
foodie.
Hindi, pero atleta yan. Matakaw talaga mga atleta.
Ayun, matakaw tayo.
Ikaw atleta ka eh. Ako matakaw lang.
Kompleto ka rin. May adjectives. Si Janine kasi.
Getting the inside scoop.
Tama naman. Sobrang lakas ng palo ni Vargas. No? Hindi napapasok, tumawid pa rin.
Yun din. Ella De Jesus climbing the ladder as usual. And again, a 4-point lead. Biggest lead so far dito sa ating set number 4 for the Perla Spikers.
Kung ini-enumerate ko yung mga leading scorers, siya yung missing name na aking hinahanap. Doon sa ating huling laban na binida kanina para sa kanila. She had 10 points in that win. Laban sa Water Defenders.
How about Sue here in this game? Silently digging so well.
Alam na niya yung role niya. Hindi siya yung primary point of attack. But she does the other little things na napaka-importante para sa Perla Spikers.
5 po ang kanilang abante.
At dito sa ating pang-apat na set, ang Perla Spikers, magandang buwelo. Pero sa ating nakikita, dito sa labang ito, hindi lang basta magandang buwelo, kailangan may pangkapit ka. Kailangan may finishing kick ka because both teams hindi nangangayaw. At ito po ang ating mga sites na samahan niyo po kami.
Twitter account at ABS-CBN Sports.
Hashtag
PBL and ABS-CBN. At sabi nga natin kanina, number 2. Hindi natin number 1.
Maganda naman. Dahil pang oras.
Hindi natin pinipilit yan, ha? Dahil lang sa excitement ng laro talaga. But the fans are really getting into it. Palo. Not too strong, just perfect placement for Rose Vargas. Yan po ang ating mga live streaming sites.
Ito talaga ang gusto niya. Kaya alam ni Pau tinaas lang niya yung bola. Bahala na si Rosemary Vargas. Tama, malayo sa net. Apat gustong habulin ni Rosemary Vargas para mahirapan ang Perla Spikers.
Ferrer misjudging that one.
It's an attack on that dump play, or rather an error on that dump play coming from Jem Ferrer.
Coach Oliver Almadro giving Vargas some serving tips. Tan stopping that ball. Jesus cross court. Tan wise to Gia Morado that time. Nunag again was there. And it is Rakrakin now. Trading blows with Vargas. Ang kanyang kadiagonal.
Matitignan mo, dalawang wing spikers na dapat mong bantayan na mabilis. Her vertical was quicker than May Tajima, and that's why she was able to beat the double block. Tajima trying to establish that wall together with Jem Ferrer.
Faulty reception here, so free ball.
Utak naman nun.
Yan ang hindi pwedeng bayaran. Yan ang mga ilang taon.
Many years of playing and winning. Talk about a winner.
Instinct play from the former UE standout.
Outside of Eliza Valdez and perhaps Leslie and Gata Pantone, one of the more decorated players in the mode or in the level nila. Jeng Guali, who is an import. So Rosas, multiple MVP winner for different teams.
Nobody home.
Coverage na wala.
10 para sa Perlas, 6 para sa Pool Smashers.
Ito na naman yung sipag sa depensa ng Perla Spikers na bantayan yung underhand pass. And Rakrakin attacking the taller blocker. Bersola would make her pay.
Served by May.
Ganda ng laro ni May Tajima.
Yes. Rakrakin. Ferrer sa kabila. De Jesus. Hinabol. Nunag. Sumabit sa net. Open. De Jesus goes down the line. Puts it away. 5-point lead once again.
Ubong St. James Academy. Kasama si Amanda Villanueva. Eventually, both players going separate ways. Reunited here with the Perla Spikers. Trying to push the Perla Spikers to its first semifinal stint.
And also the former bench player. An ever-reliable bench player ng Ateneo. And then turning into a starter. Para dito, kung si Ella De Jesus, 11-7 is our score. Pao Soriano on deck. Ooh!
Free point for Perla Spikers.
12-7. Balik sa 5 ang abante. It was at, that's the highest so far here in set number 4.
For the serve.
It's a nice serve by Ella. Rakrakin. Balik ang bola at pumasok.
That's a good block. 13.
6-point lead now, Coach Ronnie. Biggest in the set.
May problema sa transition defense para dito sa Cool Smashers. And again, Rakrakin's attack denied. Nagko-converge kasi kadalasan sa harap yan, pagpapalo. Pero somehow, you have to go on to the next play and make that defensive change up.
And Cathy saw that, really. Bumuelo na sa talon si Gia. So she knew.
Nabasa.
Yeah. 7-point lead. Coach Tai will not wait for the technical timeout.
Purple Smashers.
Pwede tayo mag-check ng blocker. Dito tayo ng iba. Pwede tayo mag-check out. Pwede tayo mag-drop sa gitna. Kasi sinasahod lang tayo parati. Nag-check lang nila bataas.
One now, be tag, go now, hell, defend it, hell. Huh? Recover, recover.
Yan agad isa-isa. Habol tayo
We have to keep on talking, keep on moving. Let's go.
Tara!
Talk.
Last set ako. Last set sa atin to.
One, two, three.
Happy!
Hearing it from Gia there.
Yun ang pinakamahabang narinig ko
Sinabi
kay
niya.
Gia.
I was just about to say,
Oh.
in a timeout,
Pinakamahaba na yan.
you see, nakikita mo yung competitiveness, yung fire nung... now, you said she has to be the leader of this team.
And that also just proves that she has stepped into that role. Given that Eliza is still not around.
She wants to win, Coach Ron.
Oh.
That's a testament. She wants to win.
And also trying to teach itong si Jessica Rakrakin na yun na, read
Diskarte.
diskarte, basa. Sinasalo, sinasahod nga lang sila. So, pa-check ball naman. Problema na naman ng Cool Smashers. First ball.
Dalawa yun. Kay Vargas.
This is
Great
the best
serving.
receiving team. You have to remember that. Now, they're behind by 9 points.
Oh, great serving by Perlas. Up by 9. After the tightest third set, as we look at Jella Benting,
Ooh, Yela Ibenting.
na umabot ng 26-24 sa ating third set. Yung fourth set naman natin tinatambakan as we speak ng Perla Spikers and Cool Smashers. They want to push this into a fifth set.
Tama yan.
Again, galing sila sa isang 5-setter, parehong come from behind.
Wala pa tayong nakitang lopsided set. Every set laging may fight back. Every set
right.
laging may chase down sa dulo.
Right.
Tingnan natin kung babangon pa rito ang Cool Smashers dahil isang haymaker na yung gustong ipataw sa kanila ng Perla Spikers. Grabe naman yung
Look at Sue!
grabe naman yung reaction itong si Sue Roses.
Rakrakin, huli ni Tiamzon. Balik kay Nicole. Quick set! Quick spike! But it's still alive. Ferrer, pinili si Cathy! And she puts it away!
With a backward.
One of the best rallies here in the match. And once again, Sue Roses, hindi pumupuntos. Wala sa leading scorers. Pero makita mo, maski tinapos ni Kat Bersola galing sa magandang pasa, Sue Roses stumbling all over that last one.
Mon Paterno agrees.
Thumb up lang.
Another bump set from the other side.
To 17.
Agawa ng paraan ni Gia. At Rakrakin naman ay check ball.
Hindi na to sa opposite.
Hirap i-control yun. Underhand pa.
Saka eksakto yung bagsak ng bola eh.
Wala na.
Overpass.
Nasabi na natin lahat ng pwedeng sabihin dyan kay Gia.
Ganyan din naman yung papuri natin kay Team Fajardo.
Oo.
Yung mga ace playmakers na may tuturing mong mga henyo on their own right. Given yung kanilang kagalingan na hindi lang basta isa o 2 taon eh.
Correct. Consistent.
Consistent yung kahusayan. Yan yung mahirap.
Speaking of, ang ganda rin ang trabaho ni Jem Ferrer dito sa Perlas this match.
Right.
Been really feeding all of her attackers, si Nicole, si Cathy, lalo na
Of course.
May Tajima.
Oh yes. Ito na ba yung sinasabi at kinahanap natin na pagbabalik ng katapat ng Perla Spikers. Given na wala pa tayong nakita na tambakang set na nagtuloy-tuloy hanggang dulo.
Chance here. Down 7. Rakrakin.
Rakrakin on the hit out.
And
11.
the fight back continues. 4 straight points kinuha rito ng Cool Smashers. Rakrakin suddenly has found her element, hitting one of the best net defenders para dito sa Perla Spikers. Three adjectives. Nalalo ko na naman.
By the parents.
Oh, gee, that's a service
Bigat
ace.
yun. Mabigat yung at this point, ha? Dahil, remember, if you're the Cool Smashers, you're thinking in set number 3, bumalik tayo from 8 points
Tama
down.
yan. This adds pressure dito sa Perla Spikers.
Look at her.
Lance Pine over here. Ate Jem,
Jams, palakasan lang yun ang loob. Huwag ka magpapa-ano sa
fun, you fun. You where? Me and Jem, where?
Tara, girls, sa isang ikot. Tapos 1 point tayo, ha?
One good.
Pag walang receipt, B mo to, papasukin mo ng B. Kaya yan. Bangko!
17-12. And the fans here at the Philadelphia Flying V Center getting treated to a great first game so far.
Gia Morado. Game captain, Sir.
Galanza, I believe, yes.
Ano ng fans, ha?
Oo naman. Yan din ang isa sa mga perks na manood ng live. Lihis,
Ayan.
walang gumalaw ng bola.
Ganda sana ng 1-2 play, eh, no? Pero direksyon, yung angle ng palo nitong si Kat Bersola ipalabas. At sunod-sunod na puntos.
Oh.
Lead down to 4, 6 straight points for the Cool Smashers. Matindi na chase down. This is reminiscent of the second set na fight back ng Cool Smashers.
Was it the second set? We're down 8?
11-3, 16-10.
Oh, tama.
Oo.
Sorry, check that. Second set. I said third, but second set, yeah.
At ito, Perla Spikers, they have to come together and stay away from a total collapse dahil a loss here today will open the door para sa water defenders to go to the semis outright.
Automatically,
Diba?
Ferrer, ginawa niya ng paraan. De Jesus.
Gandang adjustment
Oo.
doon.
Rakrakin. Chance here for Perlas. Bersola again with the left. This time, it doesn't work. This time, sumobra naman yung kanyang adjustment. Kanina pa niya kinakaliwa itong Cool Smashers and it has been working, but not that time. Now, behind by 2, and Morado continues to serve para po dito sa Cool Smashers.
8 straight points for the Cool Smashers.
Another misreception. Ginawa ng paraan ni Jem, and that's wide for Amanda Villanueva. And the fight back is almost complete. Down 1.
Nicole Chamson makes her re-entry. Naghahanap ang salvation itong Perla Spikers dahil nangyari na po ito dun sa pangalawang set na nakuha at naagaw ng Cool Smashers.
And a 6-0 team doesn't want to lose here. Yun ang pinapatunayan din ng Cool Smashers, Coach Ronnie.
Ako! That was a lucky play.
Swerte.
Good break para sa Perla Spikers. Looking for divine intervention and they got one.
Look at Gia, look at her. She knew it was a wasted opportunity to tie.
Dagdag pagod pa, no? 2-point cushion, isang buntong hinanga nakuha rito nila Jem Ferrer after that last point.
Gia sends it to zone 1. Ella was there. Another good set by Ferrer.
Good coverage by Mandapat.
Oh! What's the call there? It's a point. Coach Nye disagrees. The linesman said it was in. Tignan natin sa ating slow-mo.
Tama si Coach Ty Bundit nanunutil.
Oo nga eh.
Yung palo ni Cheska Rakrakin, that's easily
It's
in.
in. It's in.
Saka tumama sa Perla Spikers. Na-touch it.
1 point again. Ferrer kay Sue. Nunag. Chance ball. What a set by Jem again. Going to Sue Roses. Reverse set. Woo! The battle of the setters here. Really interesting also, Coach Ron.
Very precise pass, but more than that, hindi inaasahan yung pasa eh.
Isa nga lang ang
Kaya
blocker.
hindi natakpan, no? Decision making very important. Ball distribution very critical. 2.8 for Jem Ferrer and the rest of the Perla Spikers.
Chance here for the Cool Smashers. And dapat tinapik pa kabila. Nunag was there. Ivy gets the point.
Wow. Utakan, gulangan. Palakasan ng loob, bawal ang may kabog. And look at this play. That was a good defensive play. Binuhay ni Nunag. And then at the right place at the right time, the veteran Ivy Remulla will be replaced by another veteran.
Go to the bench. And Gingbalse, Abayo will serve.
Natutuwa rin ako hindi lang din sa mga players na have resurrected their careers. Pero those who have become mothers already continue to play the game.
Nakahirap kaya nun.
Hirap magpakundisyon.
Oh, look at that.
So Rosas again.
Same spot, same result.
Another slide play. Jan Ferrer. Able to read the defense. Walang nakakover kay Su. Alam naman natin, porsyentuhan pumalo yan. Dating MVP, dating Rookie of the Year.
Pao sa gitna. Tan was there. Ella is checked. Tan will set it to Nicole from behind.
Nice hit on that pipe play para kay Nicole Jackson.
Parang humihinga sa liig ito sa likod. Breathing down the necks literally.
Tatayo yung balahibo mo dyan.
Cool smashers. Igman dapat. And Coach Tai telling Riza, make sure
Asok mo lang.
the point. Relax. Ferrer opens up to Ella. Gia opens up to Vargas. Jump zone. Ferrer, backset na naman kay Su. Nunag. Balik kay Vargas. Vargas! It's in! And we are all tied!
What a pass coming from Nunag. Napunta kay Gia yung first ball. And then the secondary setter, the libero. Giving that high ball set para dito kay Rosemary Vargas. Where she likes it. We're tied at 20 after being behind by 10 at 17-7. My goodness.
What a match. Ferrer, Tajima, bumalik. Gia, balik kay Pau. She hesitated, Coach Ronnie, ano? Yan din ang nagagawa na isang may Tajima na may height. Momentarily, if you change your mind, you've won the joust.
Saka na-block na siya ng first time.
Yeah,
Good cover, good defense coming from Nate Tajima. 1 point lead, hawak ng Perla Spikers.
Vargas, no blocker. No blocker.
And that is a big problem. That kind of force na mayroon itong si Rosemary Vargas.
Di pa nga solid eh.
At hindi mo mapigil dito sa ibabaw, ay talaga mo problema ka. Bumababa eh, no?
So the top spin on the ball. So heavy. 21. Tie.
Running 2-1 dyan, no?
Ferrer to De Jesus. It's in. The elevator.
Hanging
Elevator
tough.
fight.
Wala De Jesus.
I love it. I love to see these players showing their competitiveness. Parang ayaw magpatalo
Parang
talaga.
slugfest eh, no?
Kita mo sa mga reaksyon eh.
Pwede mo sabihin, nasa back nine na tayo kung golf ang pinag-uusapan.
Tajima with that quick serve. Gia. No, sorry, Pau. That's out.
And that's why Gia wanted the second ball. Eh, sinasabi niya kay Pau.
Oh, sabi niya kay Pau, pumasok ka. Ako na kukuha.
Normally, that ball, second ball is designated para sa mga setters.
Kaya niya kunin
Saka nandun siya.
Oh, nandun siya eh. Coach Tai will call a timeout.
Get 1 point, have confidence. You get 1 point, you can't get 1 point. They have pressure. Right hand from Ella, very good.
Coach Oliver telling the girls, finish strong.
Always hard to close out a set, what more a match. Especially against a team that is looking to stay in the hunt.
And coming from behind, down big in this set were the Cool Smashers. They're only down by 2. Make that 1.
Kita mo yung ginawa ni Gian. Naisip niya na ganun kabilis.
Naluhod na, paluhod na. Pabagsak na, yun. Nakabagsak na nga actually.
Alam niya masyado mababa yung bola. Kita mo yung reaction, but more than that, the precision. And Pau Soriano delivers.
Kaya sinasabi niya, pumasok ka lang. Ako bahala sa'yo. Pau now serving. Down 1. Oh. Faulty. Chance here for the Cool Smashers. They open up to Rakrakin. Ella picks it up. Gem inside. Behind. Gem again. Opens to Ella. Ball still alive. Balik kay Cheska. Cheska off speed.
Oh my.
And we're tied. Once again.
Cannot go ball watching in this critical time. And now we're tied at 23 all.
Coach Tai again trying to tell Pao to make sure of this serve. They have not led in set number 4.
Right.
Perfect set again by Gem to Kat.
Anticipated ni Coach Tai.
Quick.
Quick. Oo. At this time, hindi na kinaliwan ni Kat Bersola. Going to her strong hand, beating Rosemary Vargas.
Again, a perfect height for Gem.
Yes. First set point hawak ng Perla Spikers.
Gia, open. Rakrakin! That's out! Buhay pa! They held their breath for a second.
Walang tao eh, di ba? No one home.
Nga, oo.
Nakita mo lahat, isa lang ang paling ng leg eh. Lahat tingin sa kanan. Nahulog palabas. Tied at 24. First to reach 26. Then another extended set.
Third time that we've tied here
Oh!
in this set. Bumalik. Sue was there. Nicole again.
Oh.
Mababa yan. And this is the first time that the Cool Smashers take the lead in set number 4. Humayod, ginapang. At ngayon, lamang ng isa. Perla Spikers, they need to win.
Of course.
And then wait for the result of the second game. If they lose, they will pray
Ganun pa rin.
that the Water Defenders lose the second game later. Ngayon, first set point from being down big.
First match point para dito
Match
sa Cool
point rather,
Smashers.
sorry.
Oh.
Ferrer, Bersola, pagkakataon sa Cool Smashers. Rakrakin, hindi gumapang pa kabila.
Sabi ni Jing Balse, paluin mo lang. My goodness. Gia Morado going to Cheska Rakrakin, who scored 20 points so far, conference best against the double block. She went to a different direction and she could not score against the double block.
Gia picks Babayo. Ferrer was there. Tan will set it for Nicole. Gia opens to Rakrakin. This time,
Paluin mo lang.
sinigurado. Ika nga ni Coach Roger, paltokin mo lang.
Yan yung gusto ng mga teammates ni Gia sa kanya. Pababawiin at pababawiin niya. E paano hindi ka magkakakumpiyansa? And this is against a very good net defender na si Sue Roses. Excellent point.
Second match point. Sue, the pickup.
Okay,
Oy!
sabi ni Gia.
Hinarangan. Free ball. Ferrer, balik kay Cathy. That's it.
Sabi ni
We're
Coach Tai,
tied.
habulin mo, Cheska. Keep the ball up.
Look at the fans of the Perla Spikers. And it's Cathy Bersola serving. 26 all. Set number 4.
Another big game, scoring game para kay Kat Bersola. Scoring 24 points in their last win.
Gia hinabol, underhands it. Mandapat! Oh!
Coach Tai Bundit, nanunutil na naman.
It doesn't hurt when luck is on your side sometimes, Coach Ronnie.
What about that pass by Gia Morado? Totoo yan, kasamang boom. Timing, swerte, kasama yan.
Pumektos pa kabila.
Side spin, no one was there to
And
cover.
Another match point. Gem to Sue. Pagkakataon para sa Cool Smashers, Vargas. And it's done!
Vargas on the hit out.
From 10 points down,
Takes the set and the match.
the Cool Smashers
26.
mananatiling walang talo.
Ang bihira. But more than that, heartbreaker para sa Perla
Oo
Spikers.
naman.
17-7 lead. They were in firm control in the fourth set to try and get this match onto a fifth and final set. And then suddenly, nag-snowball na naman. And that was reminiscent of the second set story. Down big, bumabol, nanalo. Inulit ng Cool Smashers to win this match in 4 sets.
Again, another character-building win para dito sa Cool Smashers without their #1 scorer, without a former MVP or reigning MVP. Kinayod, bumalik, naniwala, nagtiwala.
Yun. Walang kabog-abog, walang panic man lang. Di bahagya.
What a match. And the Perla Spikers, hats off to them dahil, you know, they needed to win pero talagang nagpakita ng laban, talagang kinapos lang sa dulo. Hindi nila maipagpag.
Close out eh.
Oh, yung
Oo.
Cool Smashers. 21-25, 25-22, 26-24, 28-26. And really, those scores do not indicate kung gaano po kaganda at ka-exciting at kadikit itong laban
At
po
kung
na ito.
gaano pa pwedeng nanalo sa 3 straight sets yung Perla Spikers kung sakali. Diba?
Pwede rin, oh.
Amang sila dyan eh.
What a match.
Not meant to be today para sa Perla Spikers.
Now, hindi pa po sarado ang pinto para sa kanila. They were hoping now they
Nanalangin.
they will watch the second game and pray that the Water Defenders lose to the Lady Warriors in our second
Wala na sa
game.
mga kamay nila yung kanilang faith na tinatawag, yung kapalaran.
Ngayon po, kung ngayon po ang mangyayari, playoff po tayo sa Wednesday for the #4 slot. In the meantime, ang Cool Smashers safely
They will have
there.
the top spot.
top at
And
#1.
they will wait the fourth place team.
Sino?
Yun ang makakaharap nila.
Yan. At makakaiwas sa mainit na Lady Jet Spikers
At
din.
babalik na si Eliza Valdez
By
pagdating
the
sa semifinals. So,
which start on Saturday. All right, puntahan natin si Janine Choi, by the way, who is with the best player of the game, brought to you by Rubisco, making delightful moments possible anytime, anywhere. 3 adjectives for the best player of the game. But we'll let Janine talk about that with one of her MVPs. Go ahead, Janine.
Gia, paano nyo nahabol yung malaking point deficit nyo nung set 4?
Coach Lai just told us to relax and to enjoy the game kasi it won't help us if mape-pressure lang kami. So he just told us to enjoy.
Paano makakatulong yung pag-sweep nyo sa elimination round sa pagpasok nyo sa semifinals?
Tataas yung kumpiyansa namin para sa darating na semifinals and kita namin na kaya namin sila. So, yun lang. Pupush pa namin lahat yung sarili namin, lalo na sa training.
Maraming salamat at congratulations sa inyo. Balik sa inyo, Boom at Ronnie.
Thank you very much, Janine. Congratulations, Gia. Congratulations, Cheska. What about Cheska with her season high
career game.
career game?
Career game. It took her career game to be able to deflate yung pinakitang angas at galing muli ni Kat Persola sa kabilang panig.
Of course, Gia Morado, really, you know, what else?
Stability.
What else do you have,
Grabe.
can you say about the two setters today? Really played so well
Gandang
for their
duelo.
team.
Correct.
Napakaganda. At hindi pa tapos ang labanan dito sa PVL. Yan po ang good news para sa inyo. Dahil the Water Defenders who need to win makes it a little, you know, interesting. They need to win against the Lady Warriors today for that #4 spot. Outright po yan. Pag nanalo ang Water Defenders, sila po ang magiging #4 team. Pag natalo sila today, playoff tayo on Wednesday. At lahat po yan ay matutunghayan nyo dito po sa SNA. And of course, sa premiervolleyballleague.com and sports.abs-cbn.com/livestream/BVL. Coach Ronnie, happy Sunday.
Partner, you too. Pahinga,
Alright.
pahinga.
Sa ngalan po ni Coach Ronnie and of course, Janine Choi, Direk Alneri, and everybody behind ABS-CBN Sports. I'm Boom Gonzalez saying so long and keep it right here for game #2 and match #28 of your Premier Volleyball League.
Maybe you could just